Hello friends, I hope you are doing amazing. Welcome back to my YouTube channel voidlooprobotech and Automation. Today we are diving into an exciting topic: how to interface SSD1306 OLED display with ESP32 using ESP-IDF and embedded C. Let us jump straight in. First, let us take a look at the circuit diagram. Here is what we will need: ESP32 dev board, SSD1306 128x64 OLED display. This is the circuit diagram with connections. SDA pin is connected to GPIO 21st, SCL pin is connected to GPIO 22nd, and ground pin is connected to ground, and VCC pin is connected to 3.3 volt. Now it is time to move on to the programming. Here is the program I have already prepared. I have used three files: SSD1306.c, SSD1306.h, SSD1306const.h. This is the SSD1306.c file. Here these are the I2C master configuration parameters, and these are the SSD1306 LCD configuration parameters. This is the SSD1306 initialize function. It creates a new I2C bus master using the I2C master config and handler. Initialize the SSD1306 OLED display using I2C bus and update LCD function. This is the SSD1306 print str function, which prints a string. SSD1306 display function update the screen, and these are additional LCD related function. Now let us move to the main.c file. The init SSD1306 function is called to initialize the LCD, and here are the string we will print on LCD: hello world SSD1306 OLED with ESP32, ESP-IDF and embedded C. Okay, and this function updates and display the text. We have added here 3-second delay. Now the code is ready. We will build it. Hit the build button. It will take a little time. The code has been built successfully. Let us upload it. Wow, the code is uploaded and you can see the LCD is printing. Hello world SSD1306 OLED with ESP32, ESP-IDF, embedded C. So friends, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you found it helpful, please like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.